Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I am to discuss the remaining problem of the factorization. So already all problems we have done, so few problems are left. So that one we will discuss now. So you should get it everyone with their copies. Okay, so now let's start. Up to question number 10 we have done, and this is the last exercise. Okay, only few problems are left, so that one we will discuss it. Clear? And easy problems are there, you can try also. Basically those good students, they can try by yourself. That is the main thing. Okay, see, now we'll discuss what, sir? Some question number 11. Okay, so read the question and after that write the question and try it. So see, what is the given question, sir? Here given t square plus 22t plus 85. Okay, write the question. I am writing here. T square plus 22 plus 85. Okay, so what to do, sir? Here see, here coefficient part nothing is there, means only 1 is there. Okay, so 1 and constant part here 85, so we'll multiply 1 into 85, but we need what, sir? We need 22. Okay, so directly we can do it. How, sir? Just see, 85 means we can say 85 means 17 into 5 now. Clear or not? 17 into 5. Okay, so if we multiply 17 and 5 we'll get 85, and if we add it 17 plus 5 we'll get what, sir? 17 plus 5 22. So that's why we will do like that. That means we can write, instead of 22, 17 plus 5 t plus 85. Clear or not? Understood? T square plus 17 plus 5 t into 85. Understood? Next, so that means we are getting here t square plus 17t plus 5t plus 85. Clear? If we remove the bracket we will get that one. Okay, separately we will get the 17t plus 5t. So now 4 terms we are getting, so take common from 2 terms, first 2 terms and last 2 terms. So if we take common from first 2 terms, what we get, sir? T will be the common. Okay, and the remaining 1t will come plus 17 will come. Clear or not? I told you before. Okay, and next plus from last 2 terms common 5, sir. 5 common take, so remaining t will come, and 85 divided by 5, that means 17 5 is 85. Okay, now see, in bracket same thing is coming, sir. Yes, same thing is coming, means that is correct. So t plus 17, another one will be what? T plus 5. Clear or not? Clear? I hope clear, everyone. So next question, try question number 12. At first read the question. Question number 12 is telling here x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay, x square minus 10x plus 24. So try it. Easy question, same type of question, only data are different. Here coefficient part nothing, means 1 is there. 1 into 24 we need, sir, 10. 24 means we can write what? 24 means we can write 6 into 4. Okay, and 10 we need. 10 means 6 plus 4. Clear or not? Clear? This one we can do it another way also, we can do it. 6 into 4 24, separately another way also 12 into 2 24, that also we can do it. And 12 minus 2 10, 12 minus 2 10, that also we can get it. Either 6 and 4 we can take it, otherwise 12 and 2 we can take it. Okay, clear? Okay, so now try. x square minus, so instead of 10 at first I am writing 6 plus 4. Clear? 6 plus 4 24 means here 6 into 4 24, so that's why here instead of 10 I am writing here 6 plus 4. Clear? Next into x plus 24. Next remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, what becomes here? Minus, and inside plus, minus plus minus sign will come minus 6x. Next here also in middle plus sign, so minus plus minus 4x, okay, plus 24. Clear? Next, so take common, sir. From first two terms common, what, sir? X is the common from first two terms, so take common x, so remaining x will come and minus 6 will come, okay. Next, and from last two terms commons are minus 4, so if we take minus 4 common, x will come inside, and here plus sign was there, we have taken common minus, so minus minus plus, so that's why 1 minus will come, because plus means what? 2 minus, 1 minus common taken, another minus will come inside, so that is the thing. And 4 also common taken, so from 24 4 taken means 6 will come. Clear? Next, so now see, check it once in bracket x minus 6, here also x minus 6, that is correct, okay. So x minus 6 and another remaining what will come? X minus 4 will come. Understood? Clear? Next, question number 13, see 13 m square minus 3m minus 40, m square minus 3m minus 40, okay. Clear? So try it, sir. M square, here coefficient but nothing, coefficient nothing means 1 is there only, so 1 into 40 means 40 only. We need, sir, what? 3. So how will do this one? Just try it. 40, no, 40 we need 3. Do factorization, that is better, otherwise how to do? 40 means, yes, we can do it, sir. See, we can do it directly also, we can do it. 40 means 8 into 5, okay, and 8 minus 5, we are getting what? 3, no, 8 minus 5, so that one we will do. Instead of 3 we will write what, sir? 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, m minus 40. Clear? Okay, at first you can try, means directly you can try, otherwise you will do the factorization. After that, with the help of factors you will do it, okay. Next, so now remove the bracket. So if we remove the bracket, what will come, sir? M square minus 8m minus minus plus 5m minus 40. Understood? Next, take common, sir. So common m, so another m will come and minus 8 will come, okay. And last two terms commons are what? 5. So if we take common 5, so m will come, minus 8 will come, because minus 40, 5 common taken. So now see, inside of the bracket what? M minus 8, m minus 8 means it is okay. So our answer will be what, sir? Answer will be m minus 8, another one m plus 5. Clear? Clear or not? So that is question number 13. Next, question number 14, see x square plus x plus x square plus x minus 72. Write it. Question number 14, x square plus x minus 72. Easy question. What to do, sir? Coefficient part 1 into 72, 72, okay. But here we need what, sir? 1, sir. How to do, sir? 1. See, 72 means, we know that what? 72 means we can write 8 into 9, or we can write 9 into 8, no, 9 into 8, 72, and 9 minus 8, that also will get what? 1, okay. 9 and 8 we will take it, because 9 minus 8 1, so that's why instead of 1 here we will write what, sir? instead of 1 we will write 9 minus 8 x minus 72. Understood? Next, so x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 72. Clear? Next sir, common take it from first two terms. X is the common, so remaining x will come and 9 will come, and from last two terms 8 is the common, so if we take 8 common, minus 8 common, so remaining x will come plus 9 will come. Clear or not? Because minus 8 common taken, so from third term x will come, and minus 72 minus 8 common means 8 9 is 72, so 9 will come. Now see in bracket x plus 9, here also x plus 9, that is okay. So that means we can write what, sir? X plus 9 into x minus 8. Understood? Clear? That is 14. I hope clear. Same type of problem, only the different data are there, so at first you have to try. No, clear? Process are same, so that's why. Next, question number 15. Question number 15 is given here: p square minus 7p minus 120. P square minus 7p minus 120. Okay, this is the question. What to do, sir? Here coefficient part of p square, what? Nothing, means 1. So 1 into 120, 120 we are getting, 120 we are getting, but we need what, sir? We need here 7. We need 7. How to do, sir? See, directly we can do it. 15 into 8, 120. Now 15 8 is 120. So 15 minus 8, if we do 15 minus 8, 7 is coming. Yes, the 7 is coming. So do this one. So that means we can write p square minus, instead of 7 we can write, sir, what? 15 minus 8 p minus 120. Clear? So next, remove the bracket. So if we remove the bracket, what will come, sir? Minus 15p, because outside minus and inside plus, minus into plus, minus into plus, what? Minus, and here minus and minus plus, so plus 8p will come, minus 120. Okay, so take common, sir. From first two terms common take, so p is the common, so if we take common p, okay, so what will come, sir? P minus 15. Clear? Plus 8 common, so 8 common means what? P will come, minus from 128 taken means what? 15 will come. Clear or not? 15 is 120. Understood? So that means p minus 15, p minus 15, and another one will come, what, sir? P plus 8, p plus 8. Understood? So this is the answer. Clear? Okay, next question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16, see, 16 minus 17z plus z square. Question number 16 is giving here 16 minus 17z plus z square. This is the question. Okay, this one we can write like that, because here constant part written before, means first here written constant part, otherwise we can change it also, no problem. This one we can write it, otherwise we can write at first z square minus 17z plus 16 also we can write it. Okay, so now try what to do, sir. Here see, coefficient part 1, coefficient part 1, 1 into 16 means what, sir? We are getting 16 only. So 16 means we can write what, sir? 16 into 16 now. 16 1 is 16, means 16 into 1 we can write. Clear? So that means we can write 16 plus 1. Clear or not? We will get the 17. Clear? Because we are taking 16 and 1 now. So 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. So now z square minus, so instead of 17 we will write what, sir? 16 plus 1z plus 16. Clear? Next, so z square minus 16z minus z plus 16. Okay, z square minus 16z minus z plus 16. Okay, so now take common sir from first two terms. Common will be z sir, so z minus 16 will come. Clear? And from last two terms common nothing sir, means we can take minus 1 common, and if we take minus 1 common, so inside will come what sir, z will come, then here plus 16 minus 1 taken, so minus 16 will come, because plus means 2 minus 1 minus common taken, another minus will come inside. Okay, and 16 on the 16, so the 16 is coming. Okay, now see in bracket z minus 16, here also z minus 16, same thing is coming, so that means z minus 16, another one will come what, so z minus 1. Clear? Clear everyone? Next what sir, 16 finished, 17 a square plus 5a minus 104, a square plus 5a minus 104. I am writing here, so a square plus 5a minus 104. This is the question. What to do sir here? Coefficient but 1, so 1 into 104 only, so 104 we need sir 5, we need 5. Clear? We need 5. What to do sir here? Directly we can do it, sir. Try it. If you can do it directly, otherwise that factorization, after that you can get the factors. Okay, so if we do 2, so what will get sir here? 52, no, because 2 5 is 10 and 2 2 is 4, again divided by 2, so that means we will get 26, again 2 13. Okay, and after that no need, so we are getting 13 and 2 2 2, 3 times 2 we are getting. Clear? So 13 8 is what sir? 13 8 is 104, no? You know the table, 13 into 8 104, so that means 13 minus 8 you will get 5. That one we will apply it. Okay, so a square plus, instead of 5 we will write what sir? 13 minus 8, a minus 104. Clear? So that means a square plus 13a minus 8a minus 104. Clear? So now take common, so from first two terms common are a, so a plus 13 will come in bracket. Next last two terms minus 8 common. Okay, so what will come sir inside? A plus 13 will come, because 8 into 13 104, so that's why. Understood? So now a plus 13 and another one will come what sir? A minus 8. So that is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? So that is 17. Next question number 18, 3x square plus 11x plus 10. Question number 18, 3x square plus 11x plus 10, I think 10, 3x plus 11x plus 10, yes. Okay, so but here given sir coefficient part, coefficient of x square what's 3, so that means 3 into 10 we are getting 30 sir, we are getting 30. 3x square plus 11x plus 10, that is the question, and we are getting sir here 30, because 3 into 10 30. So but we need sir 11, we need 11. What to do sir here? 11 sir, how will get sir? See, 30 means we can write what's 6 into 5. Okay, and 6 plus 5 also we can write, 6 into 5 30, so that means 6 plus 5 we can take it, 6 plus 5 11. Clear or not? So that means 3x square plus 6 plus 5 into x plus 10. Okay, so that means 3x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 10. Understood? Now take common from first two terms, 3x common. So if we take 3x, so what will come, sir? X plus 2 will come, no? Clear or not? And take 5 common from last two terms, so x plus 2 will come. Understood? So x plus 2 and another one will come, what, sir? 3x plus 5. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? So that is 18. Okay, and next 18 finished. Question number 19. Question number 19, see, 6x square plus 7x minus 3. 6x square plus 7x minus 3. 19. 6x square plus 7x minus 3, that is the question. Try it, sir. Try it. What to do, sir? Here we are getting, sir, 6 into 3, sir, 18, no? 6 into 3 we are getting 18. Clear? But we need, sir, 7. What to do, sir? 18 means we can write 9 into 2, so 9 minus 2 we will get 7, sir. 7 means 9 minus 2, so that one will apply it. Okay, so 6x square plus, instead of 7 we can write 9 minus 2x minus 3. Clear? Next, so 6x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 3. Okay, clear? So that means common takes, sir, common, sir, what? 3x common. So if we take 3x common, 2 will come, 2x will come, plus 3 will come. Clear? And last two terms no common, sir, only minus 1 we can take common. So if we take minus 1 common, so inside 2x plus 3 will come. Clear or not? Understood? So 2x plus 3 and another one is coming, sir, 3x minus 1. That is question number 19. Clear? Clear or not? Next question, see question number 20. 3z square minus 4z minus 4. 3z square minus 4z minus 4. Question number 20. 3z square minus 4z minus 4. That is the question. What to do, sir? Here 3 into 4, sir, what? 3 into 4, 12. Clear? But we need, sir, 4. We need 4. So 12 means we can write what, sir? 6 into 2. Clear or not? And 6 minus 2 will get what, sir? 4. 6 minus 2 will get what? 4. Clear? So just apply it. So that means we can write 3z square minus, instead of 4 we can write what? Instead of 4 we can write 6 minus 2. Clear or not? 6 minus 2, z minus 4. Okay, so 3z square minus 6z and minus, outside minus and inside minus, so that one will be what, sir? Plus 2z. This one clear, sir? Because in front of 6 plus sign was there, plus, and outside minus, plus minus minus 6z we are getting, and another one outside minus and inside plus, minus, so 2 minus 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 plus, so that's why 2z plus 2z we are getting here. Okay, minus 4. So now take common, sir. So if we take common, what is the common, sir? 3z common. So 3z common means z minus 2 will come. Clear or not? Z minus 2 will come, and here we can take common, sir, 2 common. So if we take common, so z minus 2 will come. Understood? So that means z minus 2 and another one we are getting 3z plus 2. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So 20 finished. Clear? So and 21 to up to 27, the next day we will complete it. Means this chapter will be complete next day. Clear? Only here total 7 problems are left, so 7 problems we will discuss the next day. Clear? And today's that discussion I hope clear everyone. So if any problem, any queries, so you inform me, I will help you again. So take your homework, everyone. What is your homework? Homework exercise 17.17d. Okay, exercise 17d. All problems you can do it, otherwise 1 to up to 20 you have to practice and show me. Okay, 1 to 20 you have to practice and submit it. Clear? If you need doubt, please inform me. Okay, and remaining problems you can inform me also, otherwise you can try also. That is the thing, at first you have to try. Even in doubt, just you inform me, I will help you. Okay, but you have to submit your homework, that is the main thing. Clear? Actually this chapter is very big chapter, so total 4 exercises are here, and another example and so many things we have to discuss, we already discussed, so that's why they are taking time, otherwise no problem. Okay, but this chapter is very important chapter and easy chapter also. Clear? So you have to practice example as well as exercise, that is the main thing. Only one time, two time, that is not a way. So how much you can do it, that one depend on you. So you are getting time, so that's why you should utilize the time properly. You have to practice more. Okay, so that's all everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.